Tired of recipe clutter? Meet RecipeTin, the app that makes it easy to store all your recipes in one place. There are so many ways to get recipes into RecipeTin. You can import a recipe from any website with the touch of a button. Snap photos of your recipe book, then import into RecipeTin. You can also create your own recipes, or import documents from other apps. All your recipes are synced and on all your devices. Organize them any way you want. Create your own categories, build recipe collections, and share favorite recipes by email. You can easily browse and search your recipes. Always find the recipe you're after. RecipeTin. It puts all your recipes at your fingertips.